or welcome back, viewers. Today I'm going to be making a holiday wreath out of a pool noodle. Come along and we'll see how I do this. Okay, so I was trying to figure out how to get that to stay. Yes, I could glue it, but you know, that might pop off. So I had this because I was trying to figure out, you like that? You smell it? What to do with it. But I always just use the tops and take off the bottom because I never really put them in my yard. Because I don't want to make, you know, multiple, but it's like a little solar light, but I'll use that later. So I thought, well, this is nice and sturdy, so I was going to put this in here and then attach it and then put some glue on it. So it kind of gave it a little stableness to it. And then go like that. So it's not popping off, it's got a little stability in there. Okay, so I got a wreath. Now I'm gonna, since this is kind of flat looking, I'm gonna fix that with, you know, like things here. But we'll get to that. Need a little bit more glue. Glue is my friend. Hi, babies. Hello. Can you say hello to your YouTube fans? Hello. Say hello, Bella. Okay. Okay. So I got this ribbon on sale last year. It was like, I think it was like 80% off, and it was at Joann's. And I think it was Joann's or Michael's, one of those. Huh. So it was super cheap. So I thought, well, I'm gonna wrap it around here. So I'm going to tack it here. And then start wrapping the ribbon around the pool noodle. I know it's crazy to use a pool noodle, but I priced like the actual wreaths that you could make it, and it's super expensive. Hello, I can't get this to go here. And then the wire ones are pretty. I mean, the Dollar Tree has them, but they're tiny. So I wanted a bigger wreath for my door because I'm making this for my door. Like I did my Thanksgiving one. Or my fall one. You see that? I'm sorry. Did I scare you? Oh, I'm sorry. Oops, I don't know what that is. Okay. Oh, no, it's stuck in my finger. Okay. So kind of grab it tight so you don't get that. It does have like a little wire base in there, so you can kind of wiggle it around. Can't go super fast today because my hands are hurting, so bear with me. But I'm trying to do it tight so it stays nice and I'll get that pulled up look. Hi, Miss Bella. Can you say hello? Huh? Say hello. You got your pretty bow in today. Say hi, Rocco. Say hello. Mama's just doing this. Like I said, I'm trying to hold it tight so that it doesn't unravel on me and have that lumpy look. But I like how this ribbon has the, like, the Santa Claus on the fringe of his coat look. I love that. Let's see. Just do it real tight. That way we get no lumpy looks. Look at all the glitter. I just love glitter. So if you're watching this video and you like what I'm doing, press that subscribe button for me and put those notifications on, and you know, see what I do next. I like crafting. I like fixing things. I like to get out of my element sometimes and do different things. So if you like to join my family, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Look what I did. I twisted that up. And if you're already subscribed to me, thanks for coming along. I appreciate it. Your support means the world to me. It does. And I know you like those babies, don't you? They love you. I'm getting it all twisted up here, sorry. Hold on. I got myself all twisted here. I'm twisted. Okay. I'm sorry. If that's scaring you, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, babies. I'm not sorry. Here. I just got all that twisted. Should have put it on a spin thing. That's starting to look pretty. I like that. A little bit fancy, but that's okay. I like fancy too. I like farmhouse stuff, but I like the fancy stuff too. So I thought I'd make this a little bit more fancy for Christmas. Twisting it. This ribbon likes to twist. I messed it up and now it's fighting me. Yeah, fighting mama. But you could use two, if you have like a double door, you could use 2 pool noodles and get a really big giant one for if you got a really big door or something. I just have a normal size door, but some people have those gigantic doors and you could use 2 and not spend a fortune because, you know, there's some pretty wreaths out there, but they're so expensive. And then you pay for the actual wreath part and then you have to decorate it. So, like, what's the point? If you're gonna decorate something, why not make it budget friendly? I like budget friendly, as you know. If you've been watching my channel, you know I like budget friendly DIY. I like to do things on my own or get taught them so that I know how to do them. Oh, I got this all messed up. Here, let's see. I'm gonna take this off this spool here since I got it all messed up. Okay. And you could do this with fabric. It might be a little harder, but you could fold it and do it with fabric. I don't know. I like the ribbon because it's easy and it's got that little bit of wire in there. And lots of glitter. Glitter, glitter, glitter. You know how I love my glitter. I don't know if you can see, but I got glitter on my eyes today. Compliments of Miss Southern Belle. She sent me a Morphe palette. It has glitter in it. I love it. I twisted it once and I got it all wackadoodle. Try not to get too bored because I'm struggling here, sorry. I wish I could zip through this. Go real fast. I can't go really fast today. My hands just don't want to cooperate today. Okay. Like I said, try to keep that tight going around there. does that because it has that wire in it. Oh, look at all the glitter. I'm going to go around there because there's just a tiny lump there. And that is the middle of that. So I'm going to make this the back. Pop some glue in there. Keep it tight. And there we go. Look how pretty that looks. Okay. Now what I thought these bells were super cute. And I love bells. So I could go like that. Oops, at the bottom. Yeah. So I was going to use these, my little pink zip ties. If you watch one of my videos, you see I got pink zip ties. And I'll cover them up if I can get them in there. Okay. Oops. Oh, I think I messed up there. Bleep bloop. Mess that up. I want it to go around there, so. Noise. I hear that little noise. There you go. Probably should have got a bigger zip tie, but this is what I have, so this is what I'll use. Oh, you know what? Let's see. One moment, please. So off camera, I didn't want to bore you with all the long things I had to do. So anyway, what I did is I used zip ties, and I zip tied the bells together, and then I put a zip tie underneath that ribbon on the wreath, and I put a little hot glue in there to kind of keep it stable and not be jiggling around a whole bunch. And then I zip tied the actual bells together to kind of give them that swooped out look. And then this is from Dollar Tree, and it's for like a present that you would put on top of a present. But I went ahead and used two and put them as the top of the wreath. I thought that looked really pretty. And you kind of pull them out and make them look really pretty. And then at the bottom, this is from Dollar Tree as well. There's two of them, but I took them all apart and then I put these in there first, stuck them with some hot glue, and then I used the leaf. I set the leaves on top of these little branches, hot glued them. Then these two were individual because I cut everything out. And then I stuck a little glue, stuck them in there. Then I put a little glue, stuck the pine cone in there. And then I just set one more leaf on top and then set my little red bird in there. But all that was from Dollar Tree. And I just separated it so I could individually put it, because I didn't like it all bunched up the way they had it. And the red bird you couldn't really see. So I wanted you to be able to see it. And you can kind of play with it and, you know, move it around the way you want it to, so it kind of looks beautiful. But there's my finished product. And it's a nice little holiday wreath we can put up on our door. And I'm actually going to put this up on my door because I love it so much. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And please press that subscribe button, and you can see what I do next. Come join my family, and we'll see what I do next. You never know what I'm going to do next. So I'll talk to you later, guys. Thanks for watching.